today is day 15. Hopefully it'll be a better day than yesterday. I'm gonna go down the mountain and go to town, and I'm gonna buy 2 fire extinguishers. Until then, I filled up all my container with water, so a little paranoid, and I'm sure I'm gonna be paranoid until the end of this trip now. Anyway, I'm ready to go, so I will talk to you later. Bye bye. So I just stopped at a gas station, get some gas, and they don't have fire extinguisher for sale, so I have to decide what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna try to go down the road, see if maybe another store has it. So talk to you later. So being the wise guy that I am, I'm not gonna go back on the trail without fire extinguisher. So the closest location where I can find one is a Walmart Supercenter, which is an hour and 10 minutes away. That's gonna put me off the trail for a while, so I might have to skip this section here and hook up on the next one, but don't feel like going back on the trail without one, so on my way to Walmart. I'm just done at Walmart, and I bought not the 1 fire extinguisher, but 3. 2 little ones and a big one, so yeah, I'm okay to go back on the trail. And all this shopping made me hungry. Time to have some barbecue. Hey everyone, so I just made it to the Virgin Valley Campground, still in Nevada. Still on the road pretty much the whole day. I had to go to Walmart to buy fire extinguishers, and then I didn't want to go back all the way north to go back south, so I ended up here. Tomorrow I'll go back on the trail and hit the section 43. So that's it. I'm probably not going to eat anything tonight. I had a lot to eat at lunch, good barbecue stuff, so I'm just gonna hang out and probably edit the video of the day, which is probably gonna be pretty short. So good night everyone, and I'll talk to you tomorrow. Cheers.